What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back yet to another video from the love of your channel. And today I'm just moving around and trying to see this place here, the beauty of this place here. So I'm in the county number 022, that's Kiambu County, and this place here is called Nderi. So Nderi, you can see it's not a very just a silent town, and a very silent town, not a very big one, very somehow small, but businesses here are going on as usual, and everything here is awesome and beautiful. So I want just to show you how beautiful this place is, how developed this place is. The roads inside this awesome and beautiful place here. So what I've realized with this great county of Kiambu is that everything is well organized. The roads are superb. Every small town is just developed on its own. Every small town has its own beauty, and the beauty of this place is right here, that the roads are super awesome. So you can see the development that is here. There's a car wash right behind me here, so if you want to wash your car, you can just drop by there. There's also the Nderi Secondary School, as you can see on that side there. That's the Nderi Secondary School right there. So everything here goes on well. It's a very beautiful place. So it's just a middle class town, not for the big, not for the rich, it's just a middle class town. So the houses here are still there and very new right here. So that construction, the beauty of this place, they are constructing good houses, business houses, and nothing much. But we are moving towards the center. This is not the center of the town or the CBD of this town here. So this is just a part of it that comes right from there. As you can see, it's a middle class town. There are churches right here, and businesses are going on as usual, and everything is cool here. The only thing that is that's super bad or super that gives me the headache is the cold. This place is very cold, but for now I think because I've just moved, somehow I've walked, I've done 1, 2, 3, I see that I'm not feeling that cold. In fact, I've started sweating. Yes, because of walking. So guys, welcome to the love of Theo channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are a visiting subscriber, if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video and share, and also drop a comment. What do you think about this video here? And also is that music there? Worried about that music. So we are here in Nderi, still in Nderi, and we are walking. I'm just showing you this awesome place. Nobody has shown you this place. You cannot see this place anywhere on television. You cannot see this place anywhere on any other channel. But in the love of your channel, we show you what is not shown. We tell you. We show you different parts of the town, different parts of the city, everything. So again, something that I've realized, and almost in all my videos, is that there are so many, in every small town that you get in Kiambu County, there must be a hardware somewhere. So you can see that's a hardware right behind there, and people here love construction, love building, and so on. So this is Nderi. Nderi town, small town in Kiambu County called Nderi. So it's somehow becoming late. Sasa bari yako unaenda home? Umetoka shule? Ah, which school? Nderi Primary School. Oh, you are in which grade? So this young man here, gentleman here, he says is Nderi Primary School. So there's that man here. I've just started sweating right from this area here. So this is Nderi. Just moving to show you this place, how beautiful. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, I've just come to this end point here. This is where I've come from, I've started this video from that end here called Nderi, and I didn't know that I'm passing. I normally pass this way every now and then, but I didn't know that this road right here, this is the place that connects where I've just come from. So you can see this is the highway. This is the Nairobi side. This one here is the Nairobi side, and also the other side goes to Nakuru, the Nakuru side. So I've never known that this is the place where it connects to Nderi. So this is Nderi Center. This is the Nderi Junction where you can enter into Nderi right here. So this is a beautiful place. As you can see the photo, the business is booming in this place. People are reluctant. Everything is super dope in this beautiful town here called Nderi. So thank you so much. I want to use this chom here as I move, going back to my hood. So everything is super cool. Businesses are running well, and everybody is at peace. This is the peaceful Kenya. This is the Kenya we need. This is the Kenya we want. So everybody is doing his or her own business peacefully and well. So there are so many businesses that are running from this end right here. So ladies and gentlemen, if this video, please try to see. So this is the dispensary. I think that's the dispensary over there. You can go and get some treatment right there. Yes. So the beautiful Nderi is right here. Everybody is working very hard to make sure they get a snack, they get food on the table. Our businesses are booming right here. People are buying, others are selling, majority are selling. And yes, this is how life is. This is Nderi. The chicken are there, the food. So people are converting cars to grocery shops. The borders are right there. Yeah. And people are enjoying doing business in this place here called Nderi. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for enjoying this video. If you love this video, if you have enjoyed this video, hit that like button and show me some love right there. So the cabbages being sold there at only 30 bob. That is 30 cents. So this is the beautiful Nderi area of Nderi town. So having said that, having done that, having shown you this beautiful place, I would like now to sign out and maybe show you something else. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate. So the other side that we saw the dispensary, that's the dispensary, the behind side right here. So this is Nderi. This is Nderi. Yes, so that's the highway that goes to Eldoret, to Nakuru, Eldoret, all the way to Malaba, and I think this one goes somewhere else. I don't know where it goes, but any other day we shall see where it goes. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm Love of Theo here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, share this video, and let's meet in the next video. Adios.